Do me intro, please.
What am I doing?
Me intro.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
Can we do it with a guitar later?
No, do it now.
No, I'm not doing it. Just fucking with it.
Just sing it for me. Just sing
No,
it.
that's well awkward. Zach got to do it with music.
Please, just sing it for me.
No.
Please.
No. Is this kind of stuff you like to watch?
Sing for me.
Fuck off, I'm not singing for you.
Please, just sing for me.
No.
Please. Zach sang for me.
Yeah, I know, but you were like in the right place.
Right, Adam's not going to sing for me, so welcome back to another episode of Steve Vlogs. We've come up to Oban in Scotland this week. We're going to do some diving. So we're going to go pick up some SD cards because I've lost them all, and then launch the boat this evening and do some wakeboarding and try and get some cool shots of doing that. So the last vlogs the vlogs that I've been doing before, I've watched back and I've realised I really can't speak to a camera. So I'm going to try my best to do a lot better at that now. So hopefully you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. So we're gonna get the boat in, get it launched, and get on the surfboards and see if we can do some wakeboarding. And we're gonna have to make a tow rope out of the anchor line, but should be good fun. Let's see if the drone footage turns out. All right, here they are. That big dog? You got a rubber. Nice and steady like that, you'll yeah!
So like,
cold! I just took my breath away, it's that cold. Christ! I've been so warm all day. Should be a surfboard. Should be the red board.
what's that?
I'm gonna go on my hands and my knees on the board.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. Get up to it. Come on. Go on, get up. Ah. He almost had it.
distance.
If you don't succeed, try again. And again. And again. But we did it. My hands are red raw now. Shit! That was fun. That was fun. Alright.
Yeah.
Let's see if I've still got the reversing game. Still got it. Can't say it was the best or smooth, the bestest or smoothest, but first attempt in 2 years, not bad.
That, straight on at that, straight on, straight on, straight on. Stay there.
Stay there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's how not to do it.
Right.
Driving.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you.